Yes, I got this cat party. I got it for $4.68. I just tear apart the ziplock over there. So I got this. It's 50 pieces bags. It's kind of cool. It's like you put some stuff in it for your guest, or you can put some candy or some toys, whatever. Then after that, I got this. It's like a fish butterfly. It's like a sticker. It's not open yet either. This one is not open either. It's not used. See, there's sealed in it yet. It's like a sticker. I need this for my notebook. Cause sometimes you have that. Sometimes if you have this sticker stuck, sometimes they put in the notebook and sticky. I put some in. I'm gonna put one of these. Here's a few. How many pieces is in? And then I got this. It's a headband. This one never used yet, but there's few in here. So there's a headband right there, Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna put over here, and I got this. It's a bundle of this. Kitty. And there's another one over here. And then I got this. It's like a tattoo sticker. This is in here. It's like a temporary tattoo. And the one that you put water in it. So there's some, how many? There's quite in here. And then I got this. Oh, I did not see this before. It's like a bunch of yes, wait. Wonder what's in. Sorry about that. I did not know this one. Oh, there's different kind of kitty. So cute. And there's another cute kitty. Oh, that's like stickers. Wow, this is so cute. I got it only for $4.68. But I just want to show you what's a kitty look like. I did not really see this one. I thought I did not really open good the cellophane. That one is kind of cute. This one is in the box. There's a paw. It's like a jelly beans. And this one is a chubby, sleepy cat. I don't. Oh, it's like a donut cat. Guitar. Cat with a guitar. And another kitty cat. Oh, this cat in the jar. It's cute. Oh, there's a cat in the computer. That's this one. Antidepressant. And then what's this other kitty cat in the in the jar, you know. Another cat in the box, inside the box. Cute. Oh, this is also cute. The sticker. Oh, wow. There's two cat, black and white. There's a cat in the plant. And they hide in the plant. And there's kitty cat in here. Three of them. There's a cat with pizza. There's a cat with a burger. And there's another cute, chunky cat. What's this other cat? Oh, stretching. The cat are stretching. What's this? Oh yeah, the cat with the, you know, in your knitting or something. So cute. What's this one? Orange. Chubby cat. Oh, this one too. Another one tangled up into the bowl. Just gonna put them together. What else in it? Oh, it's like a, what's it called? Crystal. There's a cat with a bone, fish bone. You can like this. And what else? Another cat lay down the computer. Another. There's, oh, that cute too. Three of them. And there's a kitty cat with astronaut cat. Cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a Starbucks kitty cat. Oh, that one is so cute. The chubby sleeping or sleeping something. What else in here? Oh, there's a heart shape in. Oh, this one is cute. It's drinking when there's a fish in the bowl. But this one. There's also a pillow that look like this. Cute chubby cat. What is full of hearts and the paw sticking out get covered by hearts. Oh, it's like a cell phone one. Cute. I said, kiss me. And it's angry. Purito. That's cute. Purito. There's some in it. Another one. There's like a, what's that? Like the one that diving, scuba diving thing, head thing. Feed me, I'm hungry. This one is cute. There's another one. There's hands in it. Oh, that's so colorful. I like this one too. That's cute. Oh, what this? Black one. Cute. See, that one is a lot. I'm just gonna put over there. And then I got this grocery. Sorry about that. And this one is it's like a hair clip. And there's a pink hair clip. Oh, there's like a two in each clip. There's two over there. I need to organize it. Ay, this slide guys in my blankie. This blankie is kinda at a thrift store too, but it's kinda like vintage and it's kinda fragile. I got holes. Another cat. This one too is cute. So there's like 4 pairs of kitty cat. Cute. Just gonna put over there. And then I got these guys too, like it's including a keychain with a cat. And that's why I got this bundle because of this. It's so pretty. And okay. And then I just got this. It's a purple keychain again. It's that you can it's like you can they have a different color. If you like this, you can flip them in a silver color. And this one, it's a purple but it's gold in the other side. So I'm just gonna put that like that. And this one, it's a white and a silver. Oh no, it's white. It's pink and silver. So silver in there, and then if you go like this, it's a pink color. It's kind of mix or something. It's like pink, silver, and has like a purplish pink or something. It's like there's 3 color. Kind of cute. And then yes, I got this another. It's blue, but there's also like a light pink in the other side. So you can put this other side too like that if you want. And kind of pretty. And then this one too is a different one. It's like a lot more pink than this one. Is a lot of silver. This one a lot of pink, and it's a silver again if you wanna. And the other side. And then there's like a blue color, silver again in the other side, silver. And then you get a gold one and has a silver in the other side. And then I got this. So that's together in this bag for $4 and something. So this one is kind of pretty too. But the back side guys has that sparkle one, the silver color by sparkle. So it's so pretty when I see this. Oh no, there's a lot of cute stuff. And this one is blue and green. This one is blue and silver. But see, this one has more. This one have 2 colors. Oh, 3. Silver in the other side. Darker silver. See, but it's so pretty too. So I'm just gonna put them like that. And one more guys. There's a red color. That pretty. 6 silver in the other side. And that's the back side. So there's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I thought they're 11, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, there's 10, but I don't know why in my other photo this is 11. So hopefully I did not drop one. So that's so far. Just gonna get it. And then guys, there's like a little kitty cat. It's like when you feel it, guys, kind of squishy. You see that it's so cute. And the back side. And I got this. So I got yellow. I got pink. Squishy pink. I have light green. I always like kitty cat. Maybe have like a gray color. The gray has I have 2 gray color. And then I have a bunch of white color. But they have like the other one has a pink ears. And then this other one don't have pink ears. And then this one has black ears. Oh, this one is red and black ears. And then this one I have 2 of these the same ears. I have 2 of this. So 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. So I have 10 of this. So it's so cute. So I got that. Okay, see you later.